Can you get over on that one? Hi, honey. Hey guys, so that was us on the freeway. They say that that is a blizzard here in Washington State today, so I figured I would get it on video. See, it's coming down, but it's not bad, especially when you're from a small town in Eastern Oregon that has whiteouts, and it's pretty crazy in the winter. But hope you guys are doing good. Sorry I haven't been around for a while. Been sick and just busy and haven't had time to pick up the or turn the camera on. Actually, I'm using my phone right now. I'm sure you can tell. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing great, and I will be back with a product review probably later today, and maybe another vlog. Justin and I, my youngest son, are starting a cooking channel, so look forward to that. I will post that in the info below at a later date, so just like, subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.